common question that we get from our clients and a common question that we get in our inbox is, my guidelines are X, what will my sentence be? We don't have a crystal ball and we can't make a prediction to you. Guidelines are presumed reasonable, and guidelines are the starting point of the judge's analysis. Generally speaking, judges either go within guidelines or below guidelines. The judges also have the power to go above guidelines if they feel that guidelines do not accurately reflect the nature of the offense, or if the guidelines don't take into account just the aggravating factors that exist. In all the cases that we've done, we've only had the judge go above guidelines once, and that was a very unusual situation, to say the least. If you're looking for some sort of reassurance of what you should get besides just this general guidelines analysis, you may want to look into JSIN. It's the letter J, S-I-N, or you can type into Google judicial sentencing information. And it's a website that tracks similarly situated individuals, and it keeps track of what was their criminal history and what was the crime that they pleaded guilty to. And it tells you what sentences judges have imposed, and it breaks it down for you for like average sentence, mean sentence, medium sentence, so you have an idea of what judges thought was reasonable to do on similar cases. And that's probably the best thing you can do. Look at JSON. If you have a copy of your final PSR, it's usually the last page or two also with this JSON information. But no one can tell you what you will get at sentencing. And a lot of the times when we go to sentencing, the judge in the beginning says, I haven't made up my mind. I want to hear argument. These are my follow-up questions. Definitely somewhere between your mandatory minimum, if there is one, or zero, and the maximum. But it all comes down to oral arguments at sentencing.